Hi, I'm Nathan, and today I'm going to be taking you through a tutorial on how to make a directed mesh. In the last video you will have seen how to create an automated mesh, but in this video we're going to be introducing a new meshing technique, which is one of my favourite meshing techniques, and it's called the directed mesh. Throughout this video you're going to see two different directions of directing the mesh, and this just shows you the different capabilities STAR-CCM has. So for the first mesh, you can see I'm doing a directed mesh, directed from the bottom to the top, which means it's going to create a 2D mesh of the bottom, and then it will project it up in prismatic layers. So if you see here, the prism layer is to do with the 2D mesh. As you can see here, you can change the spacing, but here we're just doing it constant so that each layer is the same height. As you can see, it's generated a directed mesh where it's taken the top mesh, or technically the bottom mesh, and it's stacked it on top of each other. As you can see, it's 10 layers height, which comes from the volume distribution. So that's the first one. That's where I'm directing it in the Z direction from the bottom to the top, and now I'm going to show you how you can create a directed mesh radially. So first we're going to select the outer. That means that it's going to generate a mesh of the outer surface, and then it's going to project itself in. So in this one I'm going to do a quadrilateral mesher. So this is the same 10 layers, but as you see this time, the 10 comes from how many layers there are radially. So when you see, if I increase this to 20, as opposed to stacking more layers, we see here we have more radial layers, just showing how many times it's projecting it between the outside and the inside. So I'm going to run some simulations and I'll take you through them, and this is going to be the mesh that I'm going to use initially for the simulations. There we go. This is a nice directed mesh where it's directed it from the outside to the inside. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful.